The plan of the letter will change again this year. What will you change in the new year? We have done much of this love. What will your own thought change this time? Leave the old tales. Then look. Change your condition this year. Far away from evil. He broke us from goodness. Away from us by the goodness of our sin. What a miracle will change. If I have to be successful, I will meet God. If you have to be successful, then meet God. Look again, this year is unparalleled. Very old mind. Year Sit. A lot of my problems this year said, if you have learned a lesson, what? The move will change. This happened to you, what? Will the move be thin? No repentance is correct, that happens again and again.